Hello, hi, dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss limits and continuity, JA mains, MSET, and BITSAT type questions. As you know that every day or for every 2 days, one video based on limits and continuity we are providing here for the convenience of the students. So let us have a discussion in today's session. Two important questions in limits and continuity. If f of x equal to a into mod x square minus 15x plus 56 divided by x minus 8, if x is greater than 9, b if x is equal to 9, x minus step x or greatest integer function by x minus 8 if x is less than 9, where step x denotes greatest integer function is continuous. Then a equal to comma b equal to, your first option a equal to 1 by 2, b equal to 1. In the second option we have a equal to 0, b equal to 1. Third option a equal to minus 1 by 2, b equal to 1, and fourth option a equal to minus 1 by 2, b equal to minus 1. Here clearly they mentioned that f of x is continuous. We know that f of x is continuous at x is equal to a. F of a is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x, which is equal to limit x tends to a minus f of x. So here in place of a, 9 is there. So f of x is continuous at x is equal to 9. F of x is continuous at x is equal to 9. Then we have f of 9 is equal to limit x tends to 9 plus f of x, which is equal to limit x tends to 9 minus f of x. So at x is equal to f of 9 meaning is what? At x is equal to 9, the function value is b. Once again I will repeat, at x is equal to 9, f of x value is b. Just I will rub this. So f of 9 value is what? B. Which is equal to limit x tends to 9 plus. X is greater than 9 means x tends to 9 plus. So in place of that f of x, you have to write this a into mod x square minus 15x plus 56 by x minus 8. So you have to write it as a into mod. Yeah, before that you need to write a limit also. Limit extends to 9 plus f of x value is a into x square minus 17x plus 56 divided by x minus 8, which is equal to limit extends to 9 minus means x is less than 9. The function is x minus step x by x minus 8. So limit extends to 9 minus, in place of f of x minus step x divided by x minus 8. X tends to 9 plus, here b is equal to x tends to 9 plus. 9 plus means x is greater than 9. So this modulus, it will become plus a into a constant we can take outside, limit x tends to 9 plus. This mod will becomes factors, and 9 plus means plus only it will consider, and factorization of these x minus 7 into x minus 8 divided by x minus 8. So x minus 8 get cancelled. And here very important thing, as x tends to 9 minus, means x is less than 9. When x is less than 9, step x value lies between 8 and 9. Step of 8 point something should be equal to 8. So wherever step x is there in this limit extends to 9 minus, you can replace with 8. Therefore, limit extends to 9 minus x minus step x value is 8 by x minus 8. I hope everyone understand. So here also x minus 8 get cancelled. So b is equal to a into limit extends to 9 plus x minus 7 is equal to limit of constant, limit extends to 9 minus 1. So limit of constant is constant 1. By equating these two, you will get b value directly now. So b is equal to 1. We got the value of b. Next, by equating these two, so a into limit x tends to 9 plus x minus 7 is equal to 1. X is equal to 9, substitute a into 9 minus 7 is equal to 1. That implies 2a equal to 1, a equal to 1 by 2. So a value 1 by 2, b value 1, which is there in the option 1. Once again, I'll scroll up the complete question for yours. Continuous at x is equal to 9 means function value, that means f of 9 value, limit extends to 9 plus f of x, which is equal to limit extends to 9 minus f of x. Let us move to the another question from limits. Limit extends to 0, cosecant cube x into cot x minus 2 into cot cube x into cosecant x plus cot power 4x by secant x. So options 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So good question it is. First, wherever cosecant cot is there in terms of sine and cos, you have to write it. After that, simplification. Limit extends to 0. Cosecant x cube means 1 by sine x cube, sine cube x, reciprocal of cosecant, into cot x can be written as cos x by sine x, minus 2 into cot cube x means cos cube x by sine cube x, into cosecant x is 1 by sine x, plus cot power 4x. So cos power 4x by sine power 4x into secant x in the denominator. So 1 by cos x, denominator of denominator, numerator. So cos x will come there. So now simplification. By taking LCM, limit extends to 0. Sine power 4x. Here cos x minus, here also sine power 4x, 2 cos cube x plus cos power 5x. Limit extends to 0. In the numerator, I am going to take common cos x. So if we take out common cos x, 1 minus 2 cos square x plus cos power 4x divided by sine power 4x. In the next step, limit extends to 0. Cos x separately we are making into product of two limits. Limit extends to 0. 1 minus 2 cos square x plus cos power 4x can be written as, I am writing cos square x whole square divided by sine power 4x. We know that limit extends to 0, cos x value is 1. In the next step, limit extends to 0. Do you know the numerator value is going to get one of the terms expansion, a plus b or a minus b. See, first 1 can be written as 1 square minus 2 into 1 into cos square x. Can we write like this, second term? Plus cos square x whole square divided by sine power 4x. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is the expansion of a minus b whole square now. So limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos square x whole square by sine power 4x. Which is equal to, limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x whole square. Even that step also we will write it. For your understanding purpose, I am writing each and every step, dear students. Sine power 4x, which is equal to, limit extends to 0. Sine power 4x divided by sine power 4x. So limit of constant is constant. Limit extends to 0, 1, 0, 1, that is equal to 1. So limit of any constant is equal to constant, which is there in the first option. Once again, I will scroll up. Yeah, thank you, dear students. We'll move to the next video in the next study. Thank you.